back to another video. Today I'm going to be making the greengoddess salad, which went viral a while ago on TikTok. So for this recipe I'm going to be using some cabbage and also one large cucumber, some spring onions, and also in the original recipe there are chives, but I don't have chives. Also some spinach, I'm using frozen spinach. Fresh basil, I'm gonna be using instead dried basil and also basil pesto. Some garlic as well, a shallot, but I'm gonna be using a red onion, and also some nutritional yeast. Nuts of choice, I'm gonna be using almonds, 2 lemons, salt, olive oil, a rice vinegar. I'm gonna be using apple cider vinegar instead, and also some tortilla chips to serve. You can see why it's called greengoddess salad, because most of the ingredients are green. The original recipe was baked by Melissa. I'll put the link down below. So let's get straight into it. I'm going to start with the cabbage and I'm going to cut it in my food processor. When it hurts like this. I'm done with the cabbage. I will show you. It's so much quicker with a food processor. It just took me like 2 minutes, even less than that. So now I'll cut the cucumber and also the spring onions. I can start making the salad dressing. So first I need to put the liquid ingredients. So I've already squeezed the lemon juice, and I'm using my blender to blend everything. 2 tablespoons of the vinegar, and then some olive oil. So now I just need to add all the rest of the ingredients. When it hurts like this. When it hurts like this. The dressing is ready and it smells really good. I'll show you how it looks like. So now I'll put it into the salad and mix it very well. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way. When it hurts like this. So this is how the ready salad looks like. So now it's time for me to try it. It's supposed to be eaten with tortilla chips. It's not bad. I'll give it 7 out of 10 because it's nice, but it doesn't give me the wow factor. I think it would be much better tasting with some vegan feta cheese in it. I like much better the Jennifer Aniston's salad that I've made recently. This one is like a very like summery salad. It's very like refreshing. I can see why it was popular. It's still very tasty, but when I eat it later, I'll definitely put some vegan feta cheese. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.